na oh. Ah! Gyupsal dito sa may Kawit, Cavite. Ayan, nakapwesto na sila. Ayun na. So, andito na naman kami ang ARFJO Travel and Food Vlog together with our kiddos and si Lola kasama. Kami po ay kakain dito. Bago kumain, appetizer muna, tekboki, tsaka yung kanilang pansit. It's cooking time. Ang kinuha namin yung package na 250 per head, which is may pork, chicken, and kasama yung mga condiments. Let's go. May bago kaming chef. Go Chef Ali. Alright. Good job. One of the reason na pumunta kami rito, yung yakisoba pina-fry. Subukan natin. Fried yakisoba. Ayan na guys, susubukan na natin yung pinirito ko kaninang yakisoba. Nakita ko po ito mismo na ginawa ng owner ng Gyupsal. At sinabi niya na masarap daw talaga. So, let's try it. Sarap nga. Samahan natin ang pork at saka chicken. Pwede. Must try, piniritong yakisoba. Kimchi girl. So ito yung perfect bite. So, may pork ka, may yakisoba, may kimchi, ayan, saka side dish. Tapos dip. Yun na oh. Ah! Gogo. What are you gonna eat?
It's oh, sorry. Chicken.
Yakisoba.
Tekboki. And pork.
Wow, go. One bite. Wow! Good job. Finish na, done na, paid na. So far, good tayo. 1 out of 10. I'll say between 8 to 9. Okay yung ambience, okay yung food. Okay. Yun lang. This has been ARFJO and Family's Travel and Food Vlog dito sa Gyupsal in Kawit, Cavite.